Did you know that you can make $500 per day by selling digital products on some amazing platforms? And you can simply use pre-made templates, made certain tweaks, and you are good to sell them for money. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how you can effectively utilize this strategy to market planners or journals on platforms like Amazon KDP and Gumroad. And the best part, you won't need any design skills for this. We'll be utilizing Creative Fabrica, a platform offering commercial use licenses to achieve this. Let's delve into the world of planners. These are a hot commodity, especially when they are well designed. From fitness to meal planning, wedding to financial organizations, there's a plethora of options. Don't just take my word for it. Take a peek at Etsy. There you'll find numerous listings boasting thousands of positive reviews and impressive sales. However, the market is saturated and highly competitive. To stand out, it's crucial to explore less crowded sub-niches, but fret not. You don't need to brainstorm these niches yourself. Enter ChatGPT. Using this AI tool, we can effortlessly generate niche ideas. For instance, within the fitness planner niche, we can explore subcategories like weight loss tracker, workout scheduler, pregnancy fitness, senior fitness, and much more. Now on to execution. Creative Fabrica provided treasure trove of pre-made templates. These templates cover a wide range of themes and styles, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your niche. Simply select a base template, make the necessary tweaks, and voila! No design skills required. Head over to Canva for easy editing. Canva offers a user-friendly interface where you can customize layout, colors, fonts to match your branding. Once your design is complete, it's time to market it. Etsy serves as an excellent platform for selling digital download. Customer purchase, download, and print the planner for personal use. But why stop there? Let's explore other avenues. Amazon KDP allows you to sell your planner as a paperback or hardcover book. Same PDF file you created, now upload it to Amazon and they handle printing, shipping, and customer service. But wait, there's more. Gumroad offers another avenue for sales. Create a free account, upload your planner, and start selling directly to your audience with detailed descriptions and strategic keywords. You can enhance discoverability and boost sales. In conclusion, Creative Fabrica is a game changer for anyone looking to monetize their creativity by leveraging pre-made templates. You can effortlessly generate passive income streams. Remember, success lies in execution with the right strategy, and platforms earning money in your PJs has never been easier. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started, and I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.